Hi, a quick check at the markets. Markets now again today's expiry, so markets basically were expected to start on a positive note because primarily the global cues were quite conducive. But then again, if I look at the Nifty and the Bank Nifty futures, those basically have largely been seeing long build-ups. And when you are seeing long build-ups, and that's I'm talking about September futures, that implies that the rollers basically have not been actually that starking, rather on the negative positive side. But what we are seeing is that within the range basically which has been there in terms of 9800 10,000, and to me the broad range is 9700 10,000. That range is intact. There is no hurry right now basically for crossing or breaking the range. So what we should be actually really focusing on is more on the NBFCs, the oil and gas, metals if you're comfortable. Broadly, like a lot of upgrades are coming in that space. Those are doing good. NBFCs, like all host of NBFCs, whether you call about Ujjivan, Equitas, Aditya Birla Capital, which is going to get listed on Friday. And then there are many NBFCs like L&T Finance Holdings, a lot of housing finance companies. They all actually are doing quite well. Good traction coming there. And then you could also see in terms of where the buying actually was seen in terms of again metal companies. Capital First also actually was doing quite good. And then the refining space actually has been doing quite good, and again should be one of the top gainers in the trade today also. So perhaps I think those are good pockets where some good sort of stability is being seen. There are a lot of mid cap names also which are quite doing good. So my thinking would be that at present it's good to actually to just watch the market in terms of large caps, in terms of index futures, because 9950 is a resistance, and as you start approaching that, the market starts seeing some correction. So in terms of trading range, if you're deploying strategy, perhaps that's a good strategy. Play in the range, basically sell near to the top end of the range with some sort of good protection measures, and then again as it comes to the lower end of the range, then you start basically going into the opposite mode. So I think that is playing out quite well right now. In terms of Bank Nifty, again, the range is 23,800, 24,520, and that range basically has been playing out well. So if you're a trader, then I think this is a golden time for you, because the markets are actually playing out quite well in a very close, tightly held range. If you're an investor, you are looking for good picks, then perhaps I think fundamentally pick out some good stocks. And I've highlighted that the refiners are looking quite good in terms of NBFCs. Some actual NBFCs have quite good trigger with them. Stocks even like Bajaj Finance, those have been doing quite good. Bajaj Finserv, and then again these stocks basically could be becoming a part of your portfolio. And I had some queries being posted to me on the social media platforms, and I'll be answering them today. So perhaps if any of questions is coming from your side on the investment side or the stock pick side, I would love to actually answer them. So that's the markets, very range bound. Volatility should not be that much today for the expiry. I'm expecting a smooth sail towards the September series. Range is not looking to get broken, and the focus should remain on the mid caps, small caps. My limited focus right now is in the metals and oil and gas. That's looking very clean right now. Pharma, you should be very stock specific, and I think NBFC is the easy one which you can pick up. So that's it. Have a good trading day.